back in.
Oh shit! Yeah, he's huge. Came up 6 feet. Yeah. Holy moly!
I didn't like this the way he originally built it.
Good morning, everybody. So today's going to be a little different. If you had seen one of my previous videos, I don't know if I'm going to put this one after that one or a couple after that one, but anyways, I had talked about Donnie and I's birthday in November, and one of the Airbnbs that I booked that Donnie wanted to go to, oh gosh, this sun is brutal. I ended up speaking with the hosts because the Airbnb got somewhat damaged in the storm, and they had a lot of flooding. And I asked them and reached out to them to see if they needed any help, because of course I own a cleaning business, and they said yes. So I'm going to head out that way today, and I'm going to check out this cabin. It's a really cool off-grid cabin, about a half an hour from here, and I'm going to see if I can assist them in any way, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So I'm in here somewhere. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I'm waiting for him to text me back. The reception isn't very good because I tried to call. Now we sit and wait. He gave me semi-directions, but I'm still a little confused. So I just asked that nice little old man riding on his tractor back there how to get there, and apparently I have to keep going all the way down this road to the end. Jessica, nice to meet you. It is so peaceful and quiet out here, but I bet you it got so flooded. Oh, there's the cabin.
So, you know, the infrastructure was here, the pond was here, the roads were here, and we took ownership. It was time to get in here to see what was going on.
The ones right there, side by side?
Yeah, those two up there, you can see those.
Okay, yeah. Towards the bottom, so about a couple feet up. Oh, wow. So all this, how high did it come up here then?
Well, there's a big gator.
Really?
See back in
Oh,
there?
shit. Yeah, he's huge. Right there. That's a big mamma jamma.
He is.
Wow.
About two, you know, this is
a couple feet. Yeah, wow. That's pretty high.
Yeah. Well, that's what they call a floodplain, right? Yeah, so my wife thinks I'm a little crazy about that.
That's all right.
Slow down.
Crazy's fun. This is a cute cabin. Wow. So not only did it come 2 feet back there, I mean, this is, how high up is this? On stilts?
It's almost 4 feet high, and then it was like 2 feet deep in the cabin. So, yeah.
So about came up 6 feet.
Yeah.
Holy moly!
We pulled all the wainscoting off so the walls could dry out.
Yeah.
And that's what the task that lays before me. I'm presently washing all that, brushing it, and getting all the.
So now I know you said this is off grid, you don't have power, but is this run by generators, these outlets?
No,
or
solar, right?
You do have solar, okay.
Yeah.
So how much solar do you have?
Well, not a lot, enough, you know. In
Enough
other words, there's enough to have lights down here, for example. And then
What type of wood is all this made out of?
cow pen lumber. Let's just say it's pressure treated pine.
Okay, well that's good.
They do this up in Ona.
Mm-hmm.
That's where they manufacture it. So,
So have you've just been airing it out as is right now? Have you had any fans or anything like that going on it, or heaters, or to kind of help to speed up the process of it drying out?
no, I think it's all dried out actually.
Yeah, it doesn't feel too bad. See, like on the screen here,
Yeah,
kind of where it was,
that's it.
and that's at least 3 feet here, and then this is up 4 feet. You said on stilts, so 7 feet. Ooh, spider web.
It was about,
Benny.
yeah, it was about 40 inches higher than we'd ever seen it before. There's a cardinal.
Oh yeah, that's a female. Yeah, the males are the prettier ones.
There you go.
Oh wow, holy moly. That's intense, man. So has this ever happened before this high? No. Wow.
I think I'm just going to leave that.
Yeah.
I'm not going to start cutting that up.
No. Gosh, yeah, you are lucky. That would have smashed the roof for sure.
Oh yeah, that would have been huge right there.
So how much solar? I see you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Are those 100 or 5? Is that 100 watts?
I think those are 60 watts.
60 watt?
Yeah,
Okay.
So 300
So
watts.
6 times 5 is, I don't know, whatever the math is on that, but
300.
300 watts. So do you have lithium batteries attached to that, or just like gel?
Just see, we'll have a look at it.
Car batteries, okay.
That's in the picture actually.
And that got all wet. And it's still working?
That's the roof of that
Oh,
building.
let me see here. Oh God, that's the roof of that. Hold on, there's a glare right there. That's the roof
I'll send you this.
of this. Holy, so that just tells you right there.
Yeah, so
That's-
we had over 6 feet of water.
Oh yeah. So, and your lights are in there still working?
Yeah.
Oh wow, and they're still trooping, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, that's something. And is this actually functioning? Is this how you pump the water out here? Or?
Well, it'd have to be primed and everything, but it'll pump water.
Very cool.
There's a well here, but the water I'm presently using here is the same water we use up at our house.
Oh, okay.
I pipe it down here.
Mm-hmm. I'm just surprised all this electrical stuff is still working.
Well,
Being underwater.
Yeah. Well, this isn't working. The voltmeter isn't.
Oh,
We're
okay.
gonna have to get that replaced. Try to get this cabin ready for you
Okay, yeah.
in December.
November. Oh, yeah, no, I think it is the beginning of December.
It is.
Yeah.
So this is siding that we ripped off.
Yeah, all
And
your
it
live
is
edge pieces.
Interior, to see there's more,
Yeah.
but I don't know, but I'm never gonna find siding like this. Yeah, this place is kind of a wreck. We took out some interior walls.
Oh, wow.
So I don't know, like
Benny.
come on in here. See, I took out the wall here. I didn't like this the way he
jeez.
originally built it. So I'm just going to remove that wall and obviously join these two rooms together.
Wow. Yeah, and you can see the water line here.
Yeah.
So this is all just particle board on the sides there.
It held up though.
Yeah, I mean, that's some strong stuff, no doubt. But
With it's painted and everything. But even this, I noticed, you know.
mm-hmm. Jeez.
I know what a mess.
So, what is this from drywall? Did you have drywall in here,
Yeah,
or okay?
This wall was all.
Oh, this wall was all drywall.
Well, this whole room was.
Mm-hmm.
So we just took it all out.
Gosh. So, are you going to obviously put more siding on, insulation, and then are you going to leave this completely wide open? Or
Yeah, I'm going to remove these studs.
Yeah.
Put a header in. Yeah.
So
So
was there a
what was
bathroom
the-
in here or in this cabin?
Yeah.
Oh, outside. Oh.
There's the water.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Jeez. Good night.
There's the shower and there's the water heater.
Golly. So, and you're trying to do this all by yourself? Is that what you were
Well, I
going?
haven't really done much in this cabin.
Is
I
that?
mean, the tree workers, took out the walls for me, but
Holy moly.
if you've
The nails sticking up there. Woo.
what they call an accident waiting to happen.
Oh, you have another little. Okay, so that was the shower, and then you have your toilet over here.
This is kind of the hand we were dealt when we took ownership system there.
Oh yeah, this is exactly what we did on my tiny house for the poo vent, the smell. We had a little 12-volt fan.
Yeah, well, it's not just the smell, but it has to be able to get air.
Yeah.
In order to flush.
Okay, well you have a flushing toilet. Yeah, I just had a composting toilet.
Oh, I
so
see.
mine was, yeah.
Well, we started out with composting toilet, but I got pretty tired of that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I know what you mean. Especially cleaning up other people's crap. you
Yeah,
know?
so I guess basically what happened here is once we started building that up there, the other buildings, they diverted all their attention to the county.
Yeah.
And they just kind of forgot about this. They still tax us on these,
Really?
but they don't have anything to say about, they don't say anything.
Well, you
about
think they couldn't because you're already basically grandfathered in, I would think,
Yeah, that's part of it.
Yeah, I'm not as scared as I would be for my dog running around, but I'm holding him. So this is Horse Creek.
Yep.
And I'm assuming they call it Horse Creek because this is where all the horses came to drink back in the day. Oh.
Yeah, we keep a path open that goes all along the creek.
Oh, for you to walk along?
Yeah, and this is kind of a swimming hole.
A swimming hole. Okay, yeah, won't be swimming in there. So, and these are cypress stumps, right?
Yeah, cypress knees.
Cypress knees. Okay, very cool. Well, that was definitely interesting, and so I am going to go back there at a later date and help get this cabin all cleaned up for this gentleman, and hopefully Donnie and I will be able to stay there and it'll be ready by the time our Airbnb was scheduled for, which is at the beginning of December. So that'll be interesting for you guys to see when we go back to see what it looks like and how it turned out after all this flooding and damage from the hurricane. So I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day and peace.